Here's a little compilation of videos from my new dash cam. I'll show you some people confused by construction, but first, here's some wildlife, like these bunnies that, yeah, no thumps, no crunches. I don't know why they're in the street. They just were. Everything's fine. Hopped away. And then there's these deer that just couldn't decide whether they wanted to cross the street or not. And I guess eventually they went back and terrorized another driver. And then, of course, did you spot the feet in the distance? Yep, there they are. Another deer. And, well, there's a house with flags. Yeah, this is definitely in the United States, eh? And here's some construction. We got some lanes and traffic merging together, and there's a construction truck with this flashing arrow that's repositioning, and the car that's following it a little too closely. In fact, this car is following it so closely that I think that they got a bit confused. And that is a line painting truck, by the way, so they didn't know whether they're painting or not. Don't follow line painting trucks closely, people. Come on, use your head. But also, when the truck pulls aside, I don't know, this car follows it. And the truck driver is pretty bewildered. He ends up honking the horn, kind of doing a, you can't really see it in the video, but a, what the heck are you thinking, out the window. And then as I pass them, you'll see him jump out of the truck to talk to that driver, who then almost runs into the car behind me. That was also, yeah, good luck, folks. And here's another little construction zone. Nothing big here, just to, you know, they didn't even close the lane. They just put up some cones because they're trimming trees or whatever. And this Jeep in front of me got really excited when the cones ended and dove for the, yeah, that's the shoulder. That's the shoulder, my friend. That is not a travel lane.